When it comes to estimating and takeoff software, CoConstruct and Esticom are two of the top options you'll likely encounter. But which one is actually the best for your business? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today. Stick around until the end to find out which software stands out and get a special offer for a better alternative. Let's start by comparing CoConstruct's capabilities. CoConstruct is known for its all-in-one project management platform tailored specifically for custom builders. It allows you to manage everything from estimating and takeoff to client communications and project scheduling. The software offers strong estimating tools that allow users to create accurate quotes and change orders on the fly. However, it's worth mentioning that CoConstruct's takeoff functionality can be a bit limiting, especially if you're in need of highly detailed and precise measurements. Next, we look at Esticom, which focuses specifically on estimating and takeoff for the construction industry. Esticom's standout feature is its digital takeoff tool that allows users to upload blueprints and automatically measure dimensions with a high degree of accuracy. It's a great option for contractors who need to perform detailed takeoffs quickly and efficiently. Esticom also integrates with estimating software, so you can generate accurate cost estimates based on those takeoffs. However, one downside is that Esticom's overall project management capabilities aren't as robust as CoConstruct's, meaning it lacks some of the project scheduling and client communication features that many builders might want. The third thing to consider is integration. Both CoConstruct and Esticom offer integrations with other software, but the scope and ease of use differ. CoConstruct integrates well with accounting software like QuickBooks, which is a huge benefit if you're managing both your project and financials in one place. Esticom, on the other hand, focuses heavily on its estimating and takeoff features, so its integrations are more focused on streamlining those tasks. If you're already using a tool like QuickBooks or another accounting platform, CoConstruct might be more appealing. Next thing, let's talk pricing. CoConstruct isn't the cheapest option out there. In fact, it's one of the more expensive software solutions for builders, but that's because you're getting an all-in-one solution. If you're looking for just estimating and takeoff, you might find that Esticom is the more cost-effective option. However, if you need additional project management tools and you can make use of all its features, CoConstruct's pricing may be worth it. The fourth thing you'll want to consider is the user interface. Esticom has a simple, straightforward design that's easy to navigate, particularly if you're focused mainly on takeoff and estimating. CoConstruct, while user-friendly, does have a steeper learning curve due to its comprehensive nature. You'll need to get comfortable with all of its project management tools if you plan on utilizing everything it offers, but the upside is that it'll cover more aspects of your business. Finally, both software options are solid choices for anyone in the construction industry, but there's one thing that could make the decision easier for you. After testing both systems myself, I found that while CoConstruct offers a lot of features for project management, if you're focused purely on estimating and takeoff, Esticom's specialized approach gives you better functionality in those areas. It's faster, more focused, and generally offers better accuracy for takeoff tasks. So, which is best for estimating and takeoff? Both have their strengths, but if you're looking for a solution that truly excels in these areas, Esticom is your best bet. But here's the thing, even though these two options are solid, there's a better alternative out there for achieving your goals in estimating and takeoff. If you want to see which software comes highly recommended for its comprehensive features and ease of use, check out the first link in the description for the best free trial offer you can get. Trust me, this will save you both time and money, and you'll get exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Check out that link to try it yourself.